So Rob, Callum, or you're just reading the schedule for tomorrow. Either 8:05 or 11:05.
8:05.
8:05's too early.
You think?
Mom,
Well, we'd have to. Well, we could pack up tonight, I suppose.
I want to go on Daddy's side.
It's gonna rush either way, but if we get it at 11:05, we get back at 12:10, and it's like an hour and a half drive. 12:01, it'd be like 1:30 or 2 by the time we get back. What time is your car thing going to?
4.
So
Mom, go on. Mom, I will go here to there,
no way.
here.
Nice try, dude. It's too dangerous. Exactly. What if you fall down there?
Very cold water.
So cold water. Super cold water.
Hot tea.
It's so deep. It's like way over my feet. It's like 25 feet deep. And the water is so cold it's almost frozen.
I'm gonna go on Daddy's side and climb.
No way. Are you kidding me? You're kidding me.
No, you're kidding.
There's a bookstore
Well, you're
up there.
kidding.
Can I go have a look at that?
If you like,
Well, you're
we can all come,
kidding.
but we have to wait until the cars all get off.
Oh, yes.
Can't go across in front of them.
Can't I fly?
Bigger.
You could jump.
Jump.
Really small.
You can do it.
Mom,